Okay, thanks for joining me. I just opened one box of 2021 Platinum Anniversary. I got one good card out of the whole box, an Ichiro that is numbered to 99, nice card. And then I bought two of these TOPPS Chrome that were really cheap, like, I don't know, 20 bucks a box. So I'm gonna crack these open and just see if I can get some good players. First, let me set out these packages, and then let me zoom in a little bit here, and let's have at it. Let's see if I can get 10 good cards out of these two boxes. How's that sound? 10 good cards. Okay, one down, no good cards. This is a light box, so there's no guarantees of anything. Okay, Freddie Freeman. Burns. Oh, Randy Arozarena refractor. Okay, now that I do like. Go Tampa Bay. Of course, we just traded him, so bummer on us. Okay, so, oops. Ooh, an Ohtani, great, nice card. Put him with Randy. I see one of those wavy cards back there. Let's see who it is. Somebody Smith. Nothing special, but I'll take it. I got a second one. Okay, nothing special in my opinion. Oops. See if I can ding the corners while I get them out of these packs. Oh, I hate it when I do this. That was a refractor. I'll be honest, I don't have my glasses on. I can't tell. I don't have a clue who the players are. I cannot read it. I should have put my glasses on. Let me see if there are any around here. I don't see any. Guess you'll just have to read the names yourself. Because honestly, I can't even see them from here. Okay, I think that's a decent card, Devers. Oh, here I got another one. This is Young, I think. Wong, okay. I was Wong. Okay, can't read that. So what's the moral of the story here, guys? Get your glasses before you open these things up. Okay. I read that last one, Salvador Perez. I don't know, I just bought the cheapest boxes they had. You never know. Who knows? You can find something. Somebody Kelly. Ooh, there's another one behind it. Alonso. I read that. Pete Alonso. That looks like a nice card. Pete Alonso. And it is not numbered that I can see. I can't read the next one. Okay. I would like an autograph. That'd be kind of cool. Of a good player. Seems like every autograph I get, it's nobody I ever heard of. Well, Bogarts is long gone. Seems like that one's stuck. Okay. Well, I wouldn't say it's horrible so far. But like I say, 20 bucks or so. At least you don't want to get an autographed Wander Franco. I think Witt Jr. is part of this group. That might be a good one. Another Tampa Bay. Well, Brujan is long gone and will never be back, I'm sure. And I can't read that one. Okay, got another wave card. Ooh, wave card. Some of these are really hard to open. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, that must be my little... Oh, that's a nice one. Okay, that looks pretty cool. That's my color wave one. And Springer. I can read the Springer part. Oh, I see a refractor in there I missed. Right there. Let's see, I don't think any of those are numbered. And I do not know who number 40 is, and I cannot read the name. This feels like a light pack too, really short. Okay. Looks like the short, speaking of short. So I think at my card shop, these non-name guys are about 5 cents a piece. A lot of them. So unless you get something special, I do better go into the 5 cent, 10 cent box. Oh man, I have trouble opening those. I broke my thumb about 2 months ago. Can't hardly pull on the darn thing. Okay, I don't know him. Here we go. Here's a refractor. Looks like Morgan and Wainwright, I think. And somebody else. So after I break this box, I'm gonna stop and go get my glasses. Ooh, this one feels thick. Maybe there's some love in here. Blake Snell on the back. Yeah. Boy. Okay. Not sure why it felt heavy. Meadows, long gone. Feels like there's a card behind him. Eloy, and I think he got traded to the Yankees. He did. Lazario. And the Blake Snell, that was the one. Snell. I liked it when he was at Tampa Bay. He won a Cy Young here. Okay, Williams, Brew. I can't really read it at all when it gets mixed in there like that. Anyway, not sure I got any numbered cards. I'll have to go back and look at them all. I don't know if I had one early on. Okay, final. Okay, Brandon Lau. Soler. Okay, wasn't a horrible box. Let me go get my glasses for the next box so I can read the names.